Hi, now we are going to continue our greater than or less than. Today we're only going to focus on less than, okay? Remember, less, you have to think of the alligator, or you could even think of this looks like an L for less, okay? So this number will always be less, kind of looks like an L, than this number. So first thing you have to do is circle the number that is less. Okay. 47, 48. Which number is less? Which number is smaller? Well, if you're not really sure, what you can do to help you is look at the tens in both numbers. This is the tens, this is the ones. Tens, ones. So let's look at the tens. Here's the tens, here's the tens. That looks the same, 4 and 4. So now let's look at the ones. Okay, here's 7, 8. Which one is smaller, 7 or 8? Yeah, the 7 is smaller. Okay, so we are going to circle the number 47. Now, did the tens or ones help you decide? So let's look back. We looked at the tens. Were the tens the same? 4, 4. Yeah, they were the same. So they didn't help us. So then we looked at the ones. Were the ones same or different? Yeah, they were different. So that is what helped us. So the ones is what helped us. So we would circle the ones. Okay, so then we would go to this part. Write the number. Blank is less than blank. So we said that we circled 47. So we would write 47 is less than 48. Again, we bring it down here. 47 is less than 48. This is reading the same thing as this. This is using words, and this is using the less than symbol. Okay? So let's go to the next one. We have 82 and 28. So let's look at the tens. Are they the same or are they different? Yeah, they are different. There's an 8 and there's a 2. They're trying to trick you because they have the same numbers, 82 and 28 both have an 8 and a 2, but they reversed it. The 8 is in the tens column for 82, and the 2 is in the tens column for 28. So 8, 2. So we're going to use the tens column because they are different, and we always start with the tens column. So let's say 8, 2. Which one is smaller? 8 or 2? Yeah, the 2 is smaller. So we remember we are looking for less than, so we are looking for the smaller number. So we are going to circle 28. Did we use the tens to help us or the ones? Yeah, we used the tens because they were different. So once we saw that the tens were different, we stopped. We didn't have to go to the ones. So we used the tens. So we're going to circle tens. Now we come over here. Blank is less than blank. Blank is less than blank. Are we going to write 82 first, or are we going to write 28 first? Yeah, we're going to write 28 because we circled the 28 because we said that the 28 was less than 82. It's a smaller one. That's why we circled it. So we're going to write 28 is less than 82. And then we write it again here. 28 is less than 82. So now, I'm not going to help you with the next ones because I already showed you what to do. But I will read the numbers. 96, 90. Which one are you going to use? Which one are you going to use to help? The tens or the ones? Write it down. 23, 32. Look at the tens first, then look at the ones if you have to. 65, 55. Look at the tens first, and look at the ones if you have to. 79, 80. Look at the tens first, then look at the ones if you have to. Remember, you stop if the tens is different, okay? You're going to write all that down. Then, when you are finished with that, you're going to work on this. You're going to do this first because I'm going to read you, or you're going to have to go back and read these, okay? So you have to write a number to solve. Nan makes the number 46. Marty makes a number that is less than 46. What could be a number Marty makes? You could write any number here that is less than 46 because you need to figure out what number Marty makes. Nan makes 46, but Marty makes a number that is less than 46. So write a number, any number that is less than 46. Jack makes the number 92. Kit makes a number that has fewer ones than 92. Fewer. Is that the same meaning as less? Yeah, it is. So we have to do something that's less than 92. Kit makes a number that has fewer ones than 92. What could be a number Kit makes? So again, you have to make something that is fewer or less than 92. Write a number that is less than or fewer than 92 over here. Bill makes the number 85. Anne makes a number with fewer tens than 85. What could be a number Anne makes? So you have to think of a number that has fewer tens than 85. So we have to look at the tens column, right? And you need to write a number that has fewer tens than 85. So we have to think of a number that's a little fewer in the tens column than 85, okay? Joe makes a number that has fewer tens than 31 and fewer ones than 13. What could be a number Joe makes? So it has to be lower than the 3 in the tens column for 31 and fewer than the 3 for the ones column. So you have to think what's lower than the 3 in the tens column and what number is lower than 3 in the ones column. What could be a number Joe makes? That's a hard one. So if you don't get it, it's okay. That's why it says hot. It's really practice. But if you do need help, you can call me and let me know. Okay? Which number is less than 72? Is it 49 less than 72? Is 73 less than 72? Is 80 less than 72? Or is 99 less than 72? Okay.